Hey guys, it's Juliet. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make drainage holes in my plant pots. I picked up a few plants over the last couple of weeks, and obviously I picked up some pots to go with it to match the decor in my home. But I'm looking to repot them, and they don't come with drainage holes, so I'm gonna make them myself, and I just wanted to share that with you. It's a very simple process. You don't require a drill, just a couple of tools that you can find around your home or pick up. Not expensive at all, but it's very easy, and if I could do it, you can do it. I mean, I could do a lot of things, but I'm just saying, if I could do it, you could do it. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoy my channel, I'll be doing some more DIYs, taking care of my plants, taking care of hair, taking care of the home decor. So if you enjoy my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Alright guys, so enough of the long talking. Here's a video. Okay, so what you're gonna need to make a drainage hole into your pot, of course, is your pots. You're gonna need a nail with a pointy tip. If you have, that would actually be best. There you go, pointy tip. You're going to need an X-Acto knife. You're going to need a towel, and you're going to need something to hit with. Now I'm not going to use a hammer. I feel like I'm going to be able to control it much better, this particular wooden spoon, better than I would a hammer, so that's what I'm going to use. Now this particular pot is not glazed at the bottom. It's actually just I guess made with ceramic or clay. I'm not too sure, but it's an IKEA pot, and there's no glaze at the bottom of that. To start, I usually put some water. I'm just gonna actually get a bowl of water. So I got a bowl of water. We're gonna need that to help the process. So what I usually do is I just apply some water to the area. Now see, this is, I guess this is clay because it's just soaking up the water that I'm putting on here. But this is going to make it so that I don't get any chips in my eyes. I mean, if you have goggles or glasses, then you can use that instead to protect your eyes. But I'm using the water to help the chips not fly everywhere, and also to make the pot or the material easier to drill into, I suppose. So you just wet the area, and then you just use the tip of the X-Acto knife. Just keep it in the one spot that you want to drill the hole into, and just kind of start drilling, not drilling, but turning the X-Acto knife. And what starts to happen is that the clay starts to dislodge, right? So just continue with that and add some water as you go, but keep twisting the X-Acto knife and apply some pressure. So yeah, the paper towel was for you to rest your pot on so that you don't damage your pot. So you just keep drilling or twisting. Now you could also do this with the nail. You know, you could kind of eat away at the hole. Just rinsing it off for you to see a little bit. So there's the beginning of my drainage hole there. I'm going to continue with the X-Acto knife. Now, what I'm doing also is, is also tipping the X-Acto knife a little bit so that the edge can cut a wider circle. Just gonna rinse this off. So it's getting there. Yeah, hole's getting bigger. I'm gonna keep going here. Trying to drill as far down as possible. A little bit of water on it. And drill, drill. So at this point, I'm feeling like it's getting close to the other side of the pot. I think this one's a little thicker. I just might drill a little bit more, tipping the X-Acto knife so I get a bigger circle chipped out. See that? It's just lifting the clay. What I'm gonna do now is take my nail and take my spoon here and just put it in the center and just tap slowly. Tap slowly till it gets through. See that? So what it did is puncture a hole in the pot. So it took a layer of the film off, and what's left is the ceramic or the clay, whichever it is, I'm not too sure. And now that's practically the big part done for you. So at this point, you're free to go in some more and keep using your X-Acto knife to make the hole bigger on one side. Then what I do is turn it over and do the same for the inside. Over, and what I'll do is kind of chip away at the hole from the sides. Clay. Put some more water in here. Now just drill away. Twist away at the clay. Try to move your face away so that chips don't go flying into your eyes. Alright guys, so you know what, this scraping sound is annoying me also. I'm just going to do everyone a favor and mute the sound. Here you go. So there you have it. Your drainage hole. Now if you wanted, you can make a couple more or make a few more, or you didn't have to necessarily do in the middle, make a hole in the middle, but this is basically the steps that you take to make a drainage hole in a pot that doesn't come with one. And it's good to go. Right. Hey guys, so I just wanted to add that if you have a pot that has glaze or that is glazed on the bottom of it, it's basically the same process. You just have to make sure that your the point of your X-Acto knife is not sliding everywhere. So once you have a hole chipped in at the bottom, you can start drilling from there, and that's basically going to do it for you. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to click the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you.